Unlock the power of collective wisdom and turn market insights into profit with Pocket Options Revolutionary Social Trading. Ready to make your money work for you without being glued to the charts? Pocket Options Social Trading feature is your gateway to generating income by tapping into the expertise of proven traders. First, navigate to the Social Trading section on your Pocket Option dashboard. Here, you'll find a curated list of successful traders, ranked by their performance. Take a moment to analyze their statistics. Look for traders with consistent profits and a solid win rate. Don't just focus on one metric. Consider their trading history and the types of assets they trade. Next, dive deeper into a trader's profile. You can often see their trading strategy, the assets they focus on, and their recent activity. This is crucial for aligning their approach with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Understand why they are successful. Are they day traders, scalpers, or do they focus on longer-term trends? Once you've identified a trader whose strategy resonates with you, it's time to copy them. Simply click the copy button next to their profile. You'll then be prompted to set the amount you wish to invest. You can also set a stop loss or take profit limit to manage your risk automatically. Your trades will now mirror theirs in real time. The key to maximizing returns and mitigating risk is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider copying multiple traders who specialize in different assets or employ varying strategies. This spreads your investment across different market conditions and reduces the impact of any single trader's underperformance. Pocket Options Social Trading empowers you to learn from the best, automate your trading, and build a diversified portfolio for passive income potential. Start exploring, start copying, and start earning today.